In a town where sidewalks giggle, a librarian of wishes shelves talking bookmarks that sneeze glitter whenever misfiled. A punctual dragon delivers overdue rain clouds and charges late fees in cinnamon coins, while street lamps dispute whose glow is brighter. Our heroes must solve the riddle of a clock that ticks backward to unlock a cafe where gravity takes coffee orders. Somewhere between doodled constellations and a choir of teapots, a shy moon negotiates peace between yawning comets and punctual pigeons. By the final page turn, laughter echoes through the absurd, and reality signs a playful treaty with fantasy for dessert.